Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to install fonts that you purchase online or that you can download from some websites, and how to install them on your iPad so you can use them on apps that take them, such as GoodNotes 5. So the very first thing you need is to download this free app that is called iFont, and to do that you would just go to your app store, and then on this search bar you would type iFont. Click enter, and then this is the app that you want. It should be free, so you download it, and then once it's downloaded you will have it here. The next step is to get the font from the internet. So if you go to printstickshop.com, there's a few options, and I'm constantly working on adding more. So if you go to this section that says fonts, then you get all of the options available. So the way it works is you tap on one of these, you finish your purchase, and once you're done, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You have to open Safari. This does not work using any other app, so just open Safari and then tap on the search bar, click on Etsy.com, then you will log into your account, so enter your email address or username and password, and once you're here you should have this option where it says you, and it has your profile photo, and if you tap there you can go to where it says purchases and reviews, and this will take you to a page where you have everything you've purchased with this Etsy account. And then, as you can see here on the right side, you will have, if it's a digital item, which in this case the fonts are, you will have this button that says download files, okay? So this is not a font, this is just an example, but you tap there and then you will get the links for that order. So if it's more than one item, you will get all of the links available here, okay? So now I'm gonna switch to show you what the fonts look like. So you get these two files, and if you're using an iPad, you can use this first one, and if you're using a different device you might need to unzip this other format, and then so you would unzip first and then install this format. But if you're using an iPad, this is all you need. So again, similarly to here, you would have this download link, but you know, for this file. So I'm gonna tap there and the same thing is gonna happen. You will go to this Go Getsy site. As you can see, that's what it says here at the bar, and then you get a preview of the font, which in this case is just like a white screen. And then here I have it automatically open in iFont, because this is the default app that I have. If you've never used iFont before, then you would have to tap on this box and arrow pointing up on the top right. That's your export or share icon, and then here you have to scroll until you find the app iFont. So you would tap on copy to iFont. That's gonna bring the fonts to this app, and then as you can see, this button that says files has like a 1 in red. That means that you have a new file, so you have to tap there, and then you would scroll and find the file that you just downloaded. So you can either click on the search bar and type the name of the font if you know it, or you can just scroll and find it here. So since I already installed this font, I no longer have access to the install button, but I'm going to show you with another example. One of these fonts, you would tap on install, okay, and then you would just follow the instructions, just click allow. And now what happens, before you could all do it in the app, but now this kind of sends the font to your settings on the iPad. So just close here, get out of here, and then find your settings here, okay, and then you have to find where it says profiles. So you click on general here, and then here where it says profiles, and this is the new font that is not installed, okay? These are all of the fonts that I have installed, but this is a new one. So I just tap there, and then you click on install on the top right, install again, install, click on done, and then you have it installed. Now if you go to the app that accepts fonts such as GoodNotes 5, this is important, GoodNotes 4 does not accept the use of fonts directly in the app, just so you know, but GoodNotes 5 does. So I'm gonna tap on my text icon here, and then just tap anywhere on the screen, and now I can write something, okay, and then tap, click on select all, click on this text editing tool here, and then where it says font, you tap there, and then you will be able to find the fonts that you want. So in this case I had the Kai font, Huesitos, which I'm gonna link down below, you can get them, but you can just tap there, and then you will get text with that particular font, and then you can change the size as well. okay? And then doing it this way, so installing the font directly on the iPad will allow you to see the font on any app that uses fonts. So you can use the font in Procreate or Vectornator, Graphic, and all of those apps as well. So that's pretty much it. This is not really hard, you can do it quickly, and I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more tips for digital planning. And if there's any questions that you have, just drop me a comment, I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye!